Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Traverse. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote vehicle start, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.